Guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's D, and you know me now. When I see good things that bring good vibes to the table, what I do first is to inform you so that you will not be deformed. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can actually make money from Poppo Life. Yes, for those of you that don't know, there's an app now called Poppo Life that you can actually make money from. And the good part of this app is that it's an unlimited. You can make money from different various parts. Okay, so this is how the app look like, which is Poppo Live. So I'll have to click on this app now. So this is my profile. Okay, you can see people here, they are live streaming currently, and you can see people here. This is where we call party, where you can join party and actually also make money. Okay, so first let me take you guys through my profile and explain some things for you on how you can actually make money on Poppo Live. So this is my profile. As you guys know, this is my name is Sonia, and I just joined this app last week, but let me show you guys how much I've made before we continue. Let's open. Oh, and you know the good part of this app, you can see open. I've made $10, okay? And you know the good part of this app is that if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw directly to your bank account. Take for example, let me click on withdraw, but I actually don't want to withdraw now because I want this my what they call it. I want this my coin. I just want to be saving it here for now, okay? This app don't have anything like scam, or they don't have anything like they can be deleted any moment from now. So let me just show you guys. You can see that you can bind your bank account. Let's click on the bank account to see. You can see your first name, your bank account, and what your bank name. So this is one good part of this app that I like so much, that I love so much, for the fact that you can actually withdraw straight to your bank account. Is something that I love so much. So this is my profile, okay? And I have 1,695 naira, okay? So each coin you make on this app, if you make 10,000 coin, you are going to get $1, okay? And you know the good part of this app is that there are different things for you to do that you can actually make money, different activities. You can see this my pop-up coin. I had 1,000 naira there, but I used it to gamble, and I have up to 3,000 something. I can actually do exchange with any other person and convert that money straight to my account that I want to withdraw, okay? So I just started this app, and these are people following me. These are my close friends. And yes, for those of you that will ask if I've withdrawn before, I have friends that have withdrawn. I've seen testimony, I've seen things, because I don't invest my life, I don't invest my head into what is not working for me, okay? So I'll show you a few steps whereby you can make money. Then you can come back for my next video. Then I'm going to be giving you a detailed tutorial, okay? So let's go to people's life now. If I go to this person's life, let me click one person's life, for example, but she'll be making noise and I don't know how to mute her, okay? So this is more like they are playing game, the normal game that you know. And if you want to play, you can actually play this thing they are doing. They are actually making coin for themselves. You can see in the coin range. If I also want to gamble with these people, I can still gamble and still make my money, okay? So this is one place you can make money. So let's go to the next place. This place is called Party. These are party whereby people can sit on your seat. If you open it, people can sit on your seat and actually make money. Let's open one person's party. So let's go with this girl. You can see different chairs here, and people are sitting on this chair. This place is really noisy, so I cannot really do anything here. Let's go to another place that is not too noisy, okay? Let's look for another party that is not too noisy. That party is too noisy. You people will not be able to hear me. If you check at the top of this party, we have different countries and how these countries have been categorized, okay? Africans, Europeans, North Americans, South American, they have been categorized on different regions. Let me see if I can open this girl's own, if the noise will not be too much, so that I can show you. Okay, you can see this lady's own now. The noise is not too much. You can see the money they've been earning. If I want to sit on this chair, just for me to click on this chair and sit on this chair, anybody that is gambling and the thing enter for me, I'm also going to cash out big time from this place, okay? So let me show you how you can actually gamble and make money. No, that one will be on another video because I need to be doing the video step by step, okay? So now, let's go. So if you sit on any chair, you can actually make money from here, like I've earlier said. And even without sitting on all this chair, you can see the system messages that is popping. Example, let's check this message. You are seeing that 60 seconds later, a fireworks will be bloom in a life of so person. Come and get the coin reward. If you click on it and go to see, so let's go to see. But I know that by now the firework must have been over, okay? So, but if I click on it earlier and I come to this place and I stay for 60 minutes, 50 seconds, once the firework blooms up, I am going to also get my own part of the coin, okay? That's one good part of this app I love so much. I love the fact that you don't necessarily need to see. I don't necessarily need to sit on a live stream to make money. There are different ways I can actually make money, okay? So now let's go out from this place because I believe that those system messages must have been over, okay? So the next part I'm going to be clicking to show you now is all this square and following your videos and the rest of that, which is if you want to upload videos, if you want to do anything you want to upload and the rest of that for people to watch and the rest of that, you can actually still do that here. Okay, the next one now is the message. Let's click on the message. These are places when you have your friends, and family. Like Poppo Sniper, she's my friend and she's live currently. If I click now, I'll be going to her life, but I don't want to go to her life now. Okay, I just want to do this this thing. So let me open Poppo Sniper's party so that people will see how it look like. So this is it, and if I want to sit on a chair, I can click on a chair and sit on a chair. She will not even waste time and she will just accept me without wasting. So yeah, I need to leave that place, but because I'll go back later so that I can be able to round up with this video. So you check, I'm sitting on a seat. If they should gamble and pour coin on me, I'm also going to receive, okay? So this is the woman that I received 63 point something K coin from, and she's a very nice person. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. You have anything you want to know about Poppo app, also let me know in the comment section, and I'll be doing different type of videos for you, okay? Thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. Subscribe, like, and also drop me your comments. With no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.